Hi Muffins! Welcome to my kitchen and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm showing you how to make any store-bought boxed cake mix taste like it's homemade. These simple tricks will have everyone thinking that you slaved in the kitchen for hours upon hours upon hours, measuring out each and every single ingredient. Now, please don't get me wrong, I love baking from scratch, but there are some days when you just don't have the time. And just because you don't have the time doesn't mean that you should compromise on the taste or on the integrity of your cakes. With these tips and tricks, no one will ever know that you took the easy way out. And you may be surprised. You might end up liking this more than any other cake you've made from scratch. So if you want to learn my tricks to transforming any boxed cake mix into a cake that would rival any homemade recipe, then please stay tuned.
To make an easy vanilla cake, you'll need 1 bag of white cake mix, 1 3-ounce box of vanilla pudding, 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, 4 large eggs, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. In a mixing bowl, combine your cake mix and your vanilla pudding and lightly whisk to combine and get rid of any large chunks. In a separate bowl with your eggs, add in the milk, butter, and vanilla extract, and lightly beat together. Add your wet ingredients to the mixing bowl with your dry ingredients and mix on medium for about 30 seconds. Turn off the mixer, scrape down the sides of the bowl to get any ingredients not fully mixed in, and mix again until well combined. It's really important not to overmix. It shouldn't need more than a minute or two. When it's done, turn your mixer off. Your batter should look something like this. Bake this batter on 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 22 minutes to make the most delicious cupcakes. Light, airy, and perfectly moist. These are so delicious. Next up, to make an easy chocolate cake, you'll need 1 bag of Devil's Food cake mix, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Add your cake mix to a mixing bowl and lightly whisk to get rid of any large chunks. In the bowl with your eggs, add in your milk, melted butter, your sour cream, and of course your vanilla extract, and give them a good mix. Because of the sour cream, this will look a little lumpy, and that's okay. Now you'll add your wet ingredients to the large mixing bowl. Baking can get a little messy, you guys. It's all part of the fun. Now mix the batter on medium speed for about 30 seconds. Turn it off and scrape down the sides of the bowl. And mix again on medium until well combined. This recipe makes a thicker batter than my previous recipe, but it's just as good. Bake this for about 22 minutes on 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and you'll come out with the most perfect cupcakes. Decadent, perfectly moist, light, and airy.
And that's it. That's how I make my cakes and cupcakes whenever I'm in a pinch. These add-ins to your boxed cake instructions will make your cakes and cupcakes perfect every single time. As always, the full list of ingredients can be found down below in the description box and of course on the blog at karrahgermain.com. Please try it out and let me know what you think. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below so I know you watched. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tutorials. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching. And as always, stay sweet.